Aisha is a Malaysian citizen who resides in Kuala Lumpur. She has been operating her own graphic design business as a freelance graphic designer. For many years, Aisha has filed her taxes with diligence. However, her recent tax filing drew the attention of the IRBM due to inconsistencies in her reported income and deductions. As a result, Aisha finds herself subjected to additional assessment by the IRBM. A Notice of Additional Assessment, Form JA for the Year of Assessment, YA, 2022, was issued to her on 1 September 2023 for the sum of $30,000. Upon reviewing IRBM's adjustments, she discovered that $10,000 had been rejected for business-related entertainment expenses. She submitted an appeal against the assessment on 15th of September 2023. Explain briefly the deadline for the payment of additional tax. Additional assessment may be raised by IRBM due to omission of specific income while preparing the return, which is identified by DG after making the original assessment. Additional income was not taken into consideration or computed in the original assessment. Tax had been reimbursed to the taxpayer due to a mistake of fact or law. Once a notice of additional assessment is served on a taxpayer, the taxpayer must pay additional tax within 30 days of receiving the notice of additional assessment, regardless of whether the taxpayer appeals the assessment. Discuss the implication if Aisha refuses to pay the additional tax on time. If Aisha fails to pay the additional tax on time, on October 1, 2023, which is within 30 days of receiving notice of additional assessment, Form JA, on September 1, 2023, she will be charged 10% of the penalty she was charged, and the amount will be added to the tax payable. Calculation of the total amount owed to the IRBM. There are two methods to collect tax: 1. 6 bi-monthly installments, 2. Monthly tax deduction. Since Aisha is operating her own graphic design business as a freelance graphic designer, she is eligible to the 6 bi-monthly installments method. Actual tax payable is $30,000 and add 10% penalty of the actual tax payable, which is $3,000. The total amount owed to the RIBM is $33,000. There is a penalty for late payment because she resolved the tax after 30 days. 1/9/2023, 1/10/2023,